fraction? Part of the whole. Part
Yes, ma'am.
of the whole. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now, today we will study types of fractions. Types of fractions. Just write in your copy. So first is proper fraction. First is proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. Improper fraction. And third one is mixed fraction. Fraction. Okay. So if I just write 1/4. Okay. So what does it mean? If there
Ma'am,
is
it's proper fraction.
1 square, okay, it is divided into 4 parts. Or one apple divided into 4 parts. And one small portion is called 1/4. This small
Yes,
portion
ma'am.
is called 1/4. 1/4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the second fraction I am writing is, say, 5/2.
Ma'am, it's improper.
So what does it mean? Like here it means one apple divided into 4 parts, or one square divided into 4 parts. Okay. Now I'm saying 5 squares. Now I'm saying there are 5 squares. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, or let me make a small squares. Otherwise it is becoming very big. Okay, I'll make a small square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and 5 squares. Okay. Now, 5 squares are being divided among 2 people. How will you divide? Tell me.
And we can't divide, ma'am, because 5 is an odd, ma'am. 5 is an odd number. So,
Why? Suppose if you have 5
divide.
apples in your home, okay, you have got 5 apples in your home, and you have to divide 5 apples between you and your sister. What will you do?
Ma'am, means we'll take the means we'll give. I will give 2 for her and 2 for me, and another one will be remaining. We'll cut it half.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. Okay. So if I just write like this, that this square belongs to Karthik and this square belongs to Karthik. Okay. So 2 squares have gone to Karthik and 2 squares have gone to Vibha. Okay. Now 1 is left. So what I will do? I will cut this into half. I will cut this into half. And half portion will go to Karthik and half portion will go to Vibha. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you understand. Try to understand this point. Fraction is part of the whole. It means out of whole part, we have divided into 2 parts or 3 parts or 4 parts. Okay. Now in this problem, which I'm showing you, you are only dividing this square, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Other pieces are as it is whole, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
This is called improper fraction because it has got some portion of whole number.
Yes, ma'am.
It has got this number, this number, this is all full numbers. Okay. See here, only 1 square and it is divided. But here you will find these are complete squares or complete apples. So it
Yes,
means
ma'am.
this fraction is got hidden complete apples. Okay. Such fractions are called improper fractions. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Ma'am, should this?
what you are saying?
Should we draw this?
Yes, yes, you draw this, then you will understand. You draw this, then you will understand. So, improper fraction has whole plus part. It has got two parts, part fraction. It has got something as whole, complete, and other is fraction. Other part is fraction.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what were you saying? I was not able to hear.
What you are saying?
Ma'am, what you were saying is not able to hear, ma'am.
Okay, what I'm saying is that in improper fraction, some part is whole. Whole means complete full apples. And some
ma'am.
portion is fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Like you can see here, four are full square and only one is the fraction. So improper fraction has got two parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to mixed fraction. Mixed fraction and proper fractions are very similar. Okay, mixed fraction and proper fraction are very similar. For example, if I write 5/2 and I divide them. So I will write 5 inside and 2 outside. So I will say 2 2s are 4, isn't it? And subtraction, I will get 1. So this quotient, see this quotient I will write in the center. This
Yes, ma'am.
I will write here above, and then 2 I will write below.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means 2 is complete whole apples Karthik is getting, and another apple Karthik is getting is half. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the improper fraction, the whole portions of apple are hidden. They are not visible. Okay. But in the mixed fraction, they are visible. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Just write this. Just write this.
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Okay. Now see, if I will write 2/2. If I write 2/2, what does it mean? There are 2 apples and there are 2 people. There are 2 apples and there are 2 people. So how many apples each person will get?
Ma'am, whole means one apple.
Yes, it means one apple to each person. One apple to each person. And if I cut this, 2 ones are 2. See, I will get 1.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes. Now see, if I write this, I will write a number. You have to tell me whether it is a proper fraction or improper fraction. 4/2.
I'm improper, ma'am.
Yes, improper fraction. Improper fraction.
Ma'am, should I write this?
Yes, yes, yes. Keep writing this.
Yes, ma'am. Now, should we write that 2 apples and 2 people?
Just write 2 upon 2, cut and 1, 1. Okay. No need to write this
Okay.
apple thing because you understood that if there are 2 apples and 2 people only, everyone will get 1 apple.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's proper fraction, ma'am.
Yes, this is proper fraction. This is proper fraction. Because if you have 4 apples, if you have 4 apples and you have to give it to 7 people, 4 apples give to 7 people. So you have to cut all apples. You have to cut all apples. Then only 7 people will have it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, 3 upon 5.
Now, should I write 4 apples give to 7 people?
But no. This is not no need to write, just for understanding. Just for
Mhm.
understanding. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yes, 3 upon 5.
Ma'am, it's proper, ma'am.
Yes, this is proper fraction. This is proper fraction. And next one, 6 upon 7.
Ma'am, it's proper fraction, ma'am.
Yes, it's proper fraction. Okay, tell me. 11 upon 3. Tell me what kind of fractions are they?
Ma'am, this is improper fraction.
This is improper fraction. Very good.
And this is proper fraction.
This is proper fraction. Very good. This is,
And this is proper fraction.
yes, this is improper fraction. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we will study equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Now see, if I write 1 upon 2, it means what? I have 1 apple and I cut it into 2 parts, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, apple is half. Okay. If I write 2 upon 4, what does it mean? I have how many apples?
4.
Always upper one is the whole. 4. I have 2 apples.
Okay, ma'am.
How many people I will divide it into?
4.
4 people. So what? How I will divide?
Ma'am, we should cut it
Cut
into
it half.
half.
Okay. Okay. Now if I write 3 upon 6. So I have how many apples?
Ma'am,
How many apples I have?
ma'am, 3.
3. And how many people I will distribute? 6. So what I should do? How 3 apples will distributed to 6 people?
And we should cut it into half.
Very good. Cut it into half. So I have cut it into half. Okay. Next I will write 4 upon 8. So I have keep drawing. Okay. Keep drawing this. This is important concept. So now I have how many
Yes,
apples?
ma'am.
4 apples. Oh, sorry, 4 apples. And how I will distribute it into 8 people?
Ma'am, we should cut it.
Cut into half. Very good. Now just draw this, then I will explain you further.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see. If you look at the fraction 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 8, every fraction is different, isn't it? Every
Yes, ma'am.
diagram is also different. All the diagrams are different, isn't it? But let's
Yes, ma'am.
imagine Karthik is one person, Karthik is one boy, which is there here also, everywhere you are there. So if you are there, if you cut this apple half, how much apple you will get, Karthik?
Ma'am, we'll get the half
You will get
apple.
half apple. Okay, you will get half apple. Okay. Now, if there are 4 people and one person is Karthik, how much apple you will get?
Ma'am, half.
Half apple. If there are 6 people and one person is Karthik, how much apple you will get?
Ma'am, we'll get half.
Half apple. And if 8 people and one is Karthik, how much apple you will get?
Ma'am, half.
Half. Now you see, though the fractions are different, the figure are different, but the amount of apple you are getting every time is same, half. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
It means the lowest fraction value is same. The portion which one person is getting is not changing.
Yes, ma'am.
Such fractions are called equivalent fractions.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you just look at the portion which one person will get, it is same every time. It is half every time. Such
Yes, ma'am.
such fractions are called equivalent fractions. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Just note this down. We will continue this class in the Friday also. Okay. Friday session we'll continue this class and I will explain you about equivalent fraction. Okay. I will send you LCM worksheet, one more. Just solve it in your own time. Okay. Because now you are getting confidence in getting LCM. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you.